69 divided by 6. Here 6 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 6. 6 times 0, 0, 6 times 1, 6, 6 times 2, 12, 6 times 3, 18, 6 times 4, 24. To find out the multiplication table of 6, just add 6 with the previous step. 0 plus 6, 6, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 6, 18 plus 6, 24, 24 plus 6, 30. This process will continue. 6 goes into 6 how many times? 1 time, 1 time 6, 6. Subtract 0, bring down the next digit, 0, 9. 6 goes into 9 how many times? 2 times 12, which is getter, so 1 time. 1 times 6, 6, subtract 3. Our answer is 11, remainder 3. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take a decimal, add number of zeros, bring down the first zero. Before the zero there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the question directly. 6 goes into 30 how many times? 6 goes into 30 5 times. 5 times 6, 30. Subtract 0. So our answer is 11 decimal 5.